Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create drop-down mega menu on Shopify. This video will guide you on how to create a drop-down mega menu on Shopify using Liquid and CSS. Shopify's native navigation system does not directly support multi-level mega menus, so we need to customize it using code. First of all, go to Shopify admin panel, then go to online store. From here, click navigation, then click main menu and start creating nested menus item. For a mega menu, create a parent menu item, then add child items under it. For deeper levels, add sub-child items under the child items. Save the menu. Now go to Shopify admin, then online store, then themes, then edit code. Open header liquid. Or the navigation file inside snippets, usually header menu dot liquid. Add the following liquid code to display the mega menu. Copy this and paste here. Now add the following CSS in theme.css. Now add this JavaScript to theme.js. Or inside the footer liquid before body tag. Final step, save and test. Save all changes, go to your store and refresh the page. Hover over menu items to see the mega menu in action. This method creates a responsive drop-down mega menu using Shopify's native navigation system. Let me know if you need additional customization. And if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial.